Hey guys, what's up? Serena here from Thrift Diving, and today we are going to go on a field trip. I just happened to go into DC today and I thought, let's stop at the Community Forklift. If you live here in Maryland or Virginia or DC, this is a place you have to come. If you don't live in this area, I think you're going to enjoy this because you'll get to see what this salvage spot looks like, and I always find something. So let's go in and have a look and see what we can find today.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay, shut up. I know where I am. Now these look really cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, these are super heavy. Holy crap. You could build maybe like a table or something, like an outdoor table or some sort of outdoor structure. That is really cute. So there's all kinds of good stuff here. If you just want to come and walk around and see if there's something that can be painted, refinished, reused. Could you restore this bathtub? Would someone do that? I guess you could. In fact, if you were going to find a tub like this and paint it, there are products that would allow you to paint it. Now that could be a nice tub. Oh my goodness, I'm getting drenched. I'm getting drenched. This is where you come when you want some of this vintage stuff. I mean, sometimes I even will keep this stuff too. Like if I find dressers at the thrift store or other pieces of furniture where I don't want to use that hardware again, but I may use it for something else, I will keep this. These are kind of interesting. I like that. Sometimes I just buy stuff here and I don't even know how I'm going to use it. Like these are really pretty. $10. Ooh, this is pretty. Walnut. Now this is $27. You can make a cutting board from that. Nice thick slab. $153. Man, you never realize how quality wood is until you see a price tag on it when it's just in its raw form. Look at this. This is kind of awesome. 35 bucks. Okay. All right, I see you there, lamp. I see you. And of course it's sold. So all right, I guess somebody else has good taste too. Man, that was a cute lamp. I totally would have bought that for 35 bucks. So over here, they actually have a lot of really good quality pieces of furniture. It's overwhelming. This would require a super large, spacious room, but it's a beautiful piece of furniture. Like I would never ever, in my wildest dreams, paint this. Also too, take a look at this price. $1,800. So they're not playing. This is good quality furniture. You know, you got to have a nice quality house in order to fit that. That's interesting. That would be really cute in a little kid's room, in a nursery. I don't think I would even paint this. I would keep this wood. So you could fix that, tighten that up a little, put some new fabric. That's a beautiful rocking chair. Look at that. It's gorgeous. And the price is $45. So you can't beat that. Let's see, what is this? Hand-painted armoire, $225. I'm not feeling that hand-painted, but oh my gosh. It kind of reminds me of like Game of Thrones or something, doesn't it? That actually is a beautiful piece. That thing would have to be stripped. I'm sorry. I couldn't do this. Ooh, look at the wood on this. Ooh, this veneer is beautiful. Looks like it's got some cracking down there, so you'd have to do some repair. And this is a thing that's a little difficult with furniture that has veneer, because if you try to fill that in with wood filler, you're only going to be able to paint that. You're not going to really be able to patch that veneer. You'll also notice here, there are some pieces here in this trim that's broken off. That's not really a problem if you're painting this piece, because you could take some of the Sugru, and this is what I did with that vintage vanity, and you can actually create a little mold of moldable glue. Let it dry, sand it down, smooth it out, and then spray some oil primer on top of it, and then paint over it. $65. Not bad. This is modern. I love this. $65. What's underneath? It's kind of cool. I like that. Ooh, now I like this. So the wall light here. What is that? $48. Little campaign, is this, what did they call this? A campaign dresser? This isn't wood, this is like definitely like a particle board. Usually you can just kind of tell, like if you open the drawers and see that it's kind of cheap, even if you just tap on it, you can kind of tell. Did you hear that? Wood doesn't sound like that. If you look a little close, you can see it's got like a cheap veneer on it. So this you could easily paint and not feel guilty about it. Look at this, guys, toilets. Every toilet that has been removed is here. This pink and blue. Oh, this is, yeah, 1970s. These toilets usually run about probably close to $300. So that can be a pretty good deal, actually, if you don't mind buying a used toilet. This is what I need. I need nightstands. Yes. And they've got deeper drawers too. Oh, these are perfect. A little bit of paint. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my gosh, look at this wood. Now, you know what I would do with this? I would leave this veneer as is because that's beautiful. And what I would do is I would refinish the top. If it doesn't look good, I think what I would do is I would paint the body, but I would leave those drawers. I actually still like these. I think these look really good. What I would do is I would clean those up and maybe use a little bit of Rub and Buff, which is a metallic wax. You can rub that on there and add a little bit of color. Maybe turn those to brass or gold or whatever. Dresser is amazing. $35. No, $30. Like, imagine how gorgeous that would be with some paint. Nice quality. Ooh, china cabinets. Now this one is $195. The one that I just painted had a toilet seat. So this one is a little different, of course. This one's a little too old-fashioned for me. So I don't think I would like this china cabinet. Not compared to the one that I just painted. Oh no, this is cool. You could do a small room with that. Look at that. This is one solid piece. You can come and find little bits of tile. Maybe there's not enough for a floor, but if you like a tile, you could do a tabletop with just a few samples. Oh my gosh, I didn't see this over here. Looks like somebody bought this. 40 tiles, $5 each? Are you freaking kidding me? What the heck? I could see this in maybe a bathroom. Okay, who's coughing? You should not be coming out to the store coughing. So this section here is one of my favorite sections. And this is actually where I found the legs that I used to build the vanity in my bathroom. You can buy a bundle here. They usually bundle them together, so you don't have to worry about not being able to find multiples, because they know you need multiples. And so over here you can find a bunch, they have a bunch of like vintage doors. So if you can find a door that is flat, like a flat panel, you can put this over a couple of file cabinets. That's what I did 5 years ago, and I've been using that desk now and haven't had a problem. Look at these wine cabinets. Ooh, these wine coolers, $100. So just imagine if you were redoing your kitchen, you could buy one of these and have a wine cooler in your kitchen. Oh, now that's an interesting tub. That looks brand new. Weird shape, but very interesting. And if you wear lipstick in a mask, please tell me I'm not the only one who has lipstick smeared all over her face like Bozo the Clown. Hey, stay tuned to the next video because I will show you how I'm gonna make them over. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna paint them. I'm not sure what color yet. I might even just leave them natural. I don't know yet because they're in such good condition. They're perfect. I just can't wait to move them into my bedroom. Anyway, I will see you next video. I hope you enjoyed this shopping trip. I know we're all kind of confined to our houses now. We don't have the opportunity to go out and really shop the way we used to. So the fact that I was able to come here today and capture a little bit of footage to bring you a little bit of thrifting joy makes me very happy. All right, guys, I will see you next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new and come back because we're always doing fun things here at Thrift Diving. I'll see you next video. Now it's time for me to go get some more lipstick because all this is just kind of crazy right now.